gonna give the cows a bail here. We got some crazy weather going on and a severe thunderstorm warning for a while. And we're kind of in a bowl here. That was some good lightning. There's not much over top of us. I can still see the sky, but it's all around us. There's some good lightning again. Focus over here and see if we can catch a good bolt. There's the thunder. Probably can't hear it because of the tractor here. Oh yeah. Changing all the time. It's a coming. Whoa, look at that over there. That looks pretty crazy. Better get my happy bud up to the house quick. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.